old-fashioned oatmeal cookies can be changed with variations. We're going to be doing that. In my big bowl, I have 3/4 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup packed dark brown sugar, 1 cube of unsalted butter was at room temperature, and 1/4 cup of shortening. We're going to add 2 eggs plus 1 yolk. There's a lot more sodium in the whites than are in the yolks. There's only 8 milligrams in that yolk. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just using my mixer on low speed. I'm just going to mix it up a little teeny bit. I could probably do it with a spoon, but on low speed it just makes it a little bit quicker. My sifter has got 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of featherweight baking powder. It's Hain, no sodium. 2 teaspoons of baking soda substitute, no sodium. Regular baking soda has 1,200 milligrams for 1 teaspoon. We don't need that. Our flour mixture is going to be sifted into the egg mixture. We'll stir it in. 2 cups of old-fashioned oatmeal. And get your hands in here. Mix that stuff up. When it all gets mixed up, then you get to decide what you're going to do with it. My favorite is just raisins. Johnny likes chocolate chips with a little bit of chopped walnuts. I'm going to split this dough in half. We're going to have a Johnny bag and a Judy bag. I'm kind of splitting the dough in half. I think I've got about 1/2 cup of raisins in here. So this is my batch. I might add some more raisins to it. I don't know. We're going to look and see. This is how I like mine. That's going to be perfect for me. Stick this over here. Put Johnny's back in. And he's got probably 1/3 cup of finely chopped walnuts, 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. There are a lot of nuts out there that don't have sodium. You can choose from hazelnuts, macadamia, pecan, walnut. Just have to read the labels. You can use craisins. If you have a package of chopped dates, chop them a little bit smaller than what's in the package. You can use those. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday there'll be a new low sodium recipe, and sometimes a tip to go with that recipe to help you lower that sodium. We're going to drop these by spoonfuls on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Flatten them down a little bit with my fingers and bake them at 350. I'll check them in 12 minutes. I added about 2 tablespoons more of chocolate chips because he likes them. My raisin ones are going to be fine. Dampen your fingers just a little teeny bit. Flatten down these cookies. Stick them in the oven. It took 14 minutes. for the cookies to cook in my oven, cool them on a wire rack, either store them in the refrigerator or freeze them. We just like to eat them frozen. They're really good. Our whole batch of cookies was 148 milligrams of sodium. The cookies are between 2 inches and 2¼ inches in diameter. We got 76 cookies. They are 1.95 milligrams of sodium each. For your variations, just make sure that you check the labels because some nuts have sodium, some don't. Some dates have sodium, some don't. Because we have to add all that up, make sure that we know what we're getting. My husband is really enjoying his cookies.